it's here. So when it comes to RCs, I am a complete noob about crawlers. But I got the chance to go out to one of the local crawl tracks here in Central Florida and got a chance to try a really nice 10 scale crawler. Now, as you guys know from the previous video, we did just receive our Axial SCX30. We do have a couple of upgrades, just one upgrade for now, which is going to be the metal drive shafts, and I did do some things for it. I removed the top and removed the rear tire to kind of help balance the truck a little bit better. Also, it does have a bigger battery inside. I found something that's compatible with it because that little battery is so hard to find for this little thing. So we definitely got some more content coming up for the SCX30 lineup. And we did pick up a little guy for Alani. Now, this little one, I don't know, the scale is so small, it's kind of hard to climb anything. It's almost like it needs weight. But we'll probably get into that later on the channel. But today, my girlfriend's crawler came in. Now again, I'm a complete noob when it comes to crawlers. This is one of the cheapest crawlers that you can buy. However, it's supposed to be one of the best and most detailed crawlers on the market too. So let's open it up, check it out. It's here! So I don't know too much about this truck. I did do a little bit of research to see what would be a good entry-level 10th scale truck. And this, along with another, I believe it was a Range Rover or a Land Rover, a Camel, that was a 10th scale. But I like this design. It's simple, it's true RTR, comes with all the batteries that you need. Besides the receiver batteries, I believe, is the only thing it doesn't come with. And it features a couple things here on the box. Oh, nice remote. Now, from what I understand, this is Fly Sky. Comes with a bunch of adjustments here. Looks like you can, you also have 4 channels that you can change, most likely for the lights for this thing. And then you also have a car battery indicator, which is pretty cool. We have the charger that it comes with, a USB. I forget the name of that. I think it's a Dean's connection. Comment down below and correct me if I'm wrong. I like it. Super scaled. Josie, come look at your truck!
Can I flip it?
No, it's not like your Basher. This is not your Basher. This is a Rock. I mean, you can flip it, but we want to try and keep it as detailed as possible. Have fun though. Have fun with it. Oh.
No, I'm gonna keep it on.
No, you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Like a travel pack?
Yeah. With a cargo net up top. There's a bunch of attachments that come for it. That come with it for 1/10 scale. Well, I don't have one yet. Oh, the SCX30? Yes. It has lights here. But I think they might need to... Oh no, they're routed. Yeah. Yep, it's got lights for sure.
Yay.
So to take the top off of this one...
I wish they had a Route 60 sticker.
Looks like it's got simple clips that hold it in. One on each side. Go. Nice crawler. You know, for the price, this thing is amazing. Like the detail that's done, the fact that it comes with a full set of lights, it's actually really nice. And this is supposed to be a toy. Very impressive.
How does that connect to the battery? Yeah.
So I don't want to disconnect anything just yet. But it looks like, well, I mean 1, 2, and 3. You can't really get that wrong. So we can go ahead and unplug these. Just wanted to make sure that I can put them back in the right spot. Perfect. So there are 3 clips that you're going to have to take off if you want to completely remove the body. We'll go ahead and set that to the side. We can set it here. And now let's take a closer look at the internals. Man, this is crazy. For the price of how much this is pretty crazy. The suspension feels amazing. Here we have a brushless motor. It's like a 25 tooth. Single speed gear, Fly Sky ESC. RS looks like their RGT servo, 6 kilograms. Is it weighted? Let me know in the comments down below. So you got your battery pretty much ready to go. I think it's, I keep saying Dean's clip. Let me know in the comment, but I think it's a Dean's clip. You have your Dean's clip here for your battery. And then you also, there was only 3 of these here, so that means that there is some more room. If you wanted to do a winch or something of that nature, you could. If you wanted to do extra lights, you could. Soundbox, I'm not sure how the sound boxes work, but I have heard of them and seen some of them on YouTube. I don't know if they plug into the ESC there. But there are some options still there available to use, because as you saw on the controller, if there's 3, then we only have 1, 2, 3. I think there's one more option that you can use, if that's correct. We're gonna put the batteries in here, check this, make sure it powers up, get a small charge on this real quick, make sure it powers up, and kind of see how it looks with the lights on. We're not gonna test this today. We're gonna wait because we have one more crawler coming in, and it's my crawler. Once it arrives here, we'll probably take a day and head over to the RC field, and once it does arrive, we'll probably take a day and head over to the RC crawler course. This suspension is really, really soft. And it almost sounds like there's oil in there too. This is gonna be a great crawler. It could use some wheels, but we'll get to that soon. Oh, your lights are on. Oh, cool.
Oh, wait, how'd you do that?
I'm just turning.
Oh, so it comes on automatically.
That's so cool. What's this?
Oh,
This is channel 3 and channel 4.
Truck.
Oh, that's how you turn your lights off. Cool.
Oh,
Can
cool.
I try?
What does that do?
Oh my.
This is channel 3. Oh, those are hazards. Wait, do the backs do it too?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool. I think we have an idea of how the light modes work now. So those are regular lights. Shut them off. Those are hazards. So you get the lights off. But really cool. Check this out, which is kind of interesting. I don't know how we're going to turn this off yet. Turn your lights off and hit your turn signal. And you got turn signals. That's really cool. Flip the lights back on.
Halfway or all the way?
Halfway? Awesome. And then hit me with another mode. So what other modes are on there now? So we have
Almost
a
like dimmed it.
strobing mode. And what's the next mode you got on there?
And then all the way.
That's so cool.
It really is touching.
So let's see. We have a 45-degree maximum steering angle, reinforced integrated axle box containing metal spool teeth, and a removable box cover. Full 4-wheel drive, nickel-plated, heavy-duty steel links. Some upgrades they have here. These look metal. Nice. Here's some specifications to the actual RC itself. Looks like specification length is going to be 430 millimeters. Width 215, 255, and wheelbase 255. Some more specs if you want to pause. And I know this is also available in 2 different colors. This one being, it's orange. I mean, all in all, do you like it?
I don't have to drive it though. Because I can go on the rocks and stuff like the little one, right?
But now, oh, I can't wait. It's going to be so cool.
Do we take it off? Should we take it off?
You ready to?
No.
No?
Should we
Then
do
don't you? Yeah, let's do it.
Okay,
The best part.
good. Ooh, shininess.
Nice. But that's gonna be it for this episode. We just wanted to do a quick unboxing of the truck as it just got here. So we have one more surprise coming, and it's gonna be my RC crawler. Should be here soon. Waiting on a call from DFD RC, which is also DFD, basically rock crawling course, racetrack, circle track, dirt circle track, yeah, sprint. Those guys are insane. They handle side-by-sides. They deal with lifted four-wheelers with a full-blown hobby shop. You can't ask for more. Oh, and a field to fly a plane and helicopters if that's your taste. But they pretty much got everything. So we'll be probably over there this weekend getting some more content. I think you guys will like it. So that's gonna be it for this episode. We'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for subscribing to the new channel. It's gonna be a minute before these videos start to kick up, but let's see what it does. I'm excited to get into the RC crawling world and scale side of it as well.